Okay everyone, I'll show you real quick how to change the air filter on the Honda Talon. Here's basically the only tools needed, which is a big flathead screwdriver. And right here is a 5mm Allen. So to start, you'll come up here, turn that clockwise, this one counterclockwise, pull off from the middle, and then you'll come here. There's, I believe, 11 or 12 of these clips. I have already unclipped all of them, except for 2. So basically, I just take the screwdriver in here, pop that, and then I have one here on the bottom. Pop that off, so you'll just go around. Like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, once you have all those unclipped, you'll pull off the housing. Okay, you'll see right here, so here's the intake. These two go down to the engine. This is where you will take the 5mm Allen right there, and it looks like there's, let's see, 3, 5, 7, 8 bolts. So I've already loosened these up earlier just to make this a little quicker and easier. So be careful when you're taking these apart. There's 2 pieces to this right there. So those will fall apart and fall down on top of your engine. So when you're taking them apart, be very careful. So right here, we'll take these out. Okay, and this right here is your filter. So you'll see, I already have those 3 on the left and they stay in there. They're kind of held in. So here's the air filter. I have 120 miles on this, and that is what the filter already looks like. So you can see right here is where the fresh air comes in. So you'll see about where this is on the back. If you read the owner's manual, it will say not to go through more than 10 inches of water, which I don't think many people will follow that. So basically, if you're going across a river or through deep water, you want to make sure that you don't get your Honda Talon deeper than this level, because it'll suck water in through and could cause serious damage to the engine. So to put everything back, just reverse the directions and you'll be good to go.